This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing here. All right. The code below introduces three new blocks that you haven't seen before. Create sprite, set animation, and draw sprites. Let's see here. Yep, create sprite. Set animation and draw sprites. Alrighty. Do this. Read the code below and try to predict what has happened. Well, we read the code, so step one. All right, so to try to predict, now what my goal here is just to work through this with you and just to talk about it. Keep in mind, students, once you write something here and hit run, it's submitted to your teacher. If I'm your teacher, that would be me, and you can't change it. So please think about this carefully. All right, so the first thing I really want to hit upon is code runs in order. And what I mean by that is, well, just that, right? So when I hit run here, the first line of code that's going to get executed is variable fruit is equal to create sprite. So we have this new variable, and what did we make it equal to? Well, some sprite that we created. So a sprite is computer language, I guess, for a little image or a picture. So we must be creating something that's an image, and set animation to apple could also clue me then. So it seems like we're creating an image of an apple. Now, where might that be located? Well, these values here might be the location on the grid, the X and Y values. What else are we making? Up another sprite, so we have a fruit and a vegetable, and that vegetable appears to be carrot. And then finally, we draw the sprites. So we set them up, we give them a location, we say set their animation, we create a vegetable variable, give it a location, set its animation, and say draw. So I'm going to put down notes in my words. My words are not your words, and then I'll talk about them. So again, this is just rough, and you all would want more detail, and who knows, maybe you have a different take on this, but just keep in mind, it looks like we're drawing two images, we're setting their X and Y location. I should have been more specific about where the location variables are coming from, or the location values are coming from, and then we're drawing them. All right, let's take a look. Pow pow! We did it! Onward.